Welcome to Isabella Toy World. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to introduce to you the new Prima Sugarinas from Raleigh. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. I mean, look at the ballerinas on the side. They are so cute. Come on guys, let's unbox it. Oh my goodness, look at all this. This is Sugarinas. These ballerinas right here are so cute. Look at this. This is Prima Sugarinas. Oh my gosh. Sugarinas. We got it orange. 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 Purple. And pink. And oh my god, that is a lot of candy inside. Let's open the pink one, guys. And guys, don't forget that there's this little candy on the bottom. And make sure to remove it. Like this. It's very simple. Now, let's see our Prima Ballerina. 3, 2, 1. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at her spin. Is she ever gonna end? Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at her. She is so pretty. Looks like she has blue hair and lollipops on her skirt. Guys, looks like we got Sadie Swirl. She's popular and she's very pretty. I love that. Guys, you can spin her again. You just go like this. Put her inside. Make sure this and this goes through. And she was already spinning. Let's try this again. Put it in. And then she's spinning. See, that was very simple. Let's open the purple. Just the same, you remove it. And are you ready to see the magic? Ready, set. Whoa! That was a dramatic spin. Oh my gosh, we got donut on her skirt. This is so cute. She kind of smells like donut, guys. She's so cute. And look at her top. It is so cute. Let's try to spin her again. I love spinning. Alright, ready, set. Got honey glaze and she is popular. Time for the orange one. Put this off to the side. Oh, it just fell. It just fell. These are beautiful. Alright, ready, set. Whoa, we got confetti! Did you see that, guys? Confetti, pure confetti. Oh my gosh, who did we get? I think this is the checklist. Guys, there wasn't confetti for this one and this one. Only for this one, it looks like this one has a donut and it's glittery. I think we got a rare or a limited edition. Let me see on this. Guys, looks like we got the ultra rare Prima Sugarina. Look at her glitter. It is so pretty. And guys, if you look at it closely, it looks kind of metallic-y. Guys, that was so much fun. Let's do it again. Ready, set. It worked. The confetti came out again. Guys, let's do a Prima Sugarinas show. Alright guys, welcome to the show where they're all gonna spin. First one, the purple one. The final way to end the show. Yeah! That's done. Guys, I had so much fun unboxing this. And guess what I just discovered? The bottom of the candies can also be the stand for the girls. Thank you so much, Wowie, for sending me this package for free. Everyone, I hope you have a lovely day. Bye, guys. I'm gonna spin her again.